guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair in these like messy beachy waves, I guess. I'm not really sure what to call them, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Takes me about 10-15 minutes to do, super quick and easy. So yeah, I'll show you how I do it, what products I use and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to get on with the video without further ado. So I hope you enjoy it. So first thing I do is just spray my hair with some heat protectant, like spray thing. This one's from Tresemme, it's the only one I've ever used. I'm not sure how much it works, but I might as well do it. So just spray a little bit of this onto my hair and then we just brush it through. So the curler I'm going to be using is this one from Frieda. To be honest, it was literally just the cheapest one like I could find. I got it probably about 2 years ago, still going strong, but I think like just go for the cheapest curler you can find. This is a 32mm barrel, I think, and the heat session on this goes up to 205 degrees Celsius, and that is the temperature I have it on. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning this kind of bottom layer like that, and then clipping that bit up. And then what I do is I get the curler, I put my hair in it like that, kind of down the bottom, and then I curl it round, and then I keep on curling and then just kind of pulling it down, so lifting off the clump a bit and then pulling it down, and then doing the same thing whilst like curling it at the same time. Bit complicated, but you can probably see what I'm doing. And then I leave probably about 2 inches out the end, which I don't curl, and then I just hold this for a few seconds and then let it go. And that's kind of what the first curl looks like, and it's got the straight bit at the bottom, which I feel like is the key to getting a nice wave. So I then just put that bit of hair to the back, and I curled that curl away from my face, so I'm going to do this one towards my face, so that just stops all the curls from sticking together. So I'll show you how I do this one. So I just again put the hair in and then I curl forwards. Hold for a few seconds and then take off. And then again I put that curl to the back of my head as well, and I move on to the next section. And if I'm looking over here a lot, it's because there's a mirror there, so that's how I'm seeing what I'm doing, otherwise I'd have no idea. So that is one side of my head done. I'm now going to do the other half and then I will be back with you. So both sides are now curled, but now what I do is I go in with my straightener and then I just straighten kind of some of the ends of the curls to make sure they're straight. So then to finish off the look, I just take a dry texturizing spray. This one is from VO5, and I just spray it in and kind of scrunch up my hair a bit. And then also, if I want some of like the ends of my curls to be defined, what I do is I take a little bit of hairspray and I'll get it, and then I'll hairspray the end and then just pull it so it kind of sticks in that shape. So I just go through and just hairspray the ends. So this just adds a bit of definition to the ends and helps to stop like all the curls from sticking together and looking like one big curl. But yeah, that is pretty much the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching how I did my hair. Of course it will drop a little bit throughout the day, but yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!